Survival foods that fight fatigue in a crisis. When disaster strikes, energy becomes one of the most valuable resources. Stress, physical effort, and limited supplies can quickly drain strength. Choosing survival foods that fight fatigue ensures stamina, mental clarity, and resilience when they are needed most. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia, and flax seeds provide protein, magnesium, and healthy fats. These nutrients stabilize blood sugar and deliver long-lasting energy. 2. Dried fruits, dates, raisins, and apricots are compact sources of natural sugars and iron. They restore energy quickly and help prevent tiredness caused by low iron levels. 3. Whole grains, oats, quinoa, and brown rice release energy slowly. Their fiber content supports digestion and helps the body sustain strength throughout the day. 4. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in protein and B vitamins. They fuel muscles and support energy production at the cellular level. 5. Dark chocolate. In small amounts, dark chocolate boosts alertness with caffeine and theobromine. Its antioxidants also help fight stress and fatigue. 6. Canned fish, salmon, tuna, and sardines supply omega-3s and vitamin D, which reduce mental fatigue and strengthen immunity. 7. Honey. A spoonful of honey gives fast-acting glucose, offering immediate vitality without the crash of refined sugar. 8. Green tea. Lightweight and shelf-stable, green tea provides gentle caffeine combined with L-theanine for calm focus and reduced tiredness. In crisis situations, the right foods are more than just fuel, they are protection against exhaustion. Stocking survival foods that fight fatigue, such as nuts, legumes, whole grains, and dried fruits, helps maintain energy and focus. With thoughtful preparation, these nutrient-dense provisions can sustain both body and mind when endurance matters most. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.